All right, good morning, everybody. I'm Danny. This is just Danny's opinion. Doesn't really matter unless you are purchasing some stuff that I have here, and then maybe you can listen to what I got to say and make up your mind from there. Klock works. We all talked about this already. Klock works windshield, amazing. Quieted the bike down, put the wind around your face, over your head. Everything it says it does. There's a million videos about Klock works sport flare windshields. This is the 10-inch. Bought the 10-inch because I'm 5'8" and it's perfect for me. I see right over it. I don't see through it. Perfect. The reason I'm making a little video this morning, because I promised I'd make a video about the hand guards that I had added after putting the windshield on. Now, I did 100 miles plus with the windshield on, and I fell in love. I was like, this is great, this is great. Does everything it says. Added the hand guards the next day or so and went for a ride. Hand guards look cool. I thought being in Florida, they might get too hot. My hands would be too hot behind a guard. But I also thought that every time that truck with sand goes flying by and sandblasts me down the highway, they might help with that. And I'm assuming they are going to. Now, I still feel the wind. The wind comes around the handguard and kind of funnels in. By the time it gets to your hand, there's still air movement. So it's not as hot. I don't think it's going to be as hot. I do like the cosmetic looks, the aesthetics, I like it. Kind of matches the bronze. I love the bronze windshield from Klock works. These are also from Klock works. The only negative, let's go there. The only negative is the noise. It brought back some wind noise that the windshield had eliminated. So there's a little bit of noise associated with the hand guards, a little bit. I'm not going to call it a whistle. That stock windshield I had on that CVO ST, that thing whistled so bad. Oh man, it was hard to explain going down the highway at 80 miles an hour and you got a whistle in your ear. Not that, it's just some wind noise. It's not bad. I'm just, like I said, my opinion. I thought I'd share. Other than that, Purple Abyss, bronze hand guards. So far, so good. Loving it. And that's it. I'll make a quick video about it just for you guys to watch. And if you got any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.